Daddy God.
Okay, so hey vlog. This is day 3 or 2 of this BC experience. We haven't been doing much. This is
Cindy.
And that's
Leslie.
And
Back
the guys
there?
sleeping. She's sleeping. Can't expose. So the guys are doing the driving for now and co-pilot and piloting. We are going to the ocean to dip our feet in the sand. Or not. Yay! Anyways, but day 2, we've been in Cultus and we've just been chillaxing. Watched a movie today that really hurt my head very hard to comprehend. It's called Tenet. And what else are we gonna do? We're gonna go on a hike in a few days, and I'll show you some of the Cultus views later. So
happy Canada Day.
Yes, that is today. If I had orange, I would wear orange. Take that what you will. Okay, and that's the rest of that for now. I'm supposed to give a review of what I think of British Columbia so far. It's really pretty and the mountains are great. From what I can see, the mountains are not as big as the Banff ones. They're tall, but they're not as pointy and rocky. A lot of green ones. So when we go to Whistler, we'll probably see more of those rocky kind of mountains. Lots of farms. And so far the people have been really nice. The little town that we're in called Cultus Lake is like a summer community, so everyone knows each other and they say hi, and it's just so cool to go by the water and just do water sports and all kinds of stuff. So it's like really good if you have a family and stuff like that. The houses are pretty, and it's just like you're another side of Canada that you've never really seen before, living on the east side. So it's just interesting to see like people have been living like this whole time. Like, yeah. Any other questions? Did I eat anything good? Well, we are all chefs, and HelloFresh makes a really good lentil curry, so that was good. I haven't really eaten out, so can't really talk about the cuisine yet, but I know the sushi is really good, so hopefully I get to try that at some point. So leading up to this trip, everyone's talking about how, oh, it's a heat wave, it's so hot, blah, blah, blah. So I'm packing like all shorts. This is the only long sleeve thing I brought, only pants I brought, mostly have shorts on. And so the first day was pretty hot, but there was still like a nice cool breeze. Like in Toronto, it's just hot air just hitting you on the hot day. Even at 22, it's just ridiculous. Yesterday it was like hot, but it's just great because they have a cool breeze, so it's not as smoggy as Ontario. The air is like crispy and just feels lighter. So I guess they're just not used to the hot weather. So with all the trees around, it probably changes the climate. But it's not that hot, and people are saying, "Oh my goodness, you came at the worst time." I'm like, what? I don't know. Just different. We're here! Yeah! If you can see us. Man, if you're gonna pay $1 million for a house, I think it's better to do it out here.
Right?
Yes, that's where we're going, guys. Our Father's taking us here.
Oh boy. Here we go.
You need to vlog that.
I only got one daddy.
So,
Are you one of those daddy godders? Daddy god.
No way! I do not call God daddy,
Cringe.
okay?
That's so
Really?
cringe.
No, I do not. I just call men daddy.
yeah, tell
You
me,
have a problem.
why does it cringe you, Chelsea?
It's
just like-
weird. Why do you need to call God daddy?
Why do you need to call Jason daddy? Like, it's all weird. She's been calling it Jason daddy the whole trip. Like, I
He's
don't
our
understand.
dad. Because we said he's responsible.
Speak for yourself.
Bruh.
Cringe.
No, I do not call God.
Yeah, you're one of those daddy godders.
No, I'm not.
A few moments later.
Daddy God.
Those prayers? Oh man! Like at a conference, youth conference. Like, oh, Daddy God.
Venice beach vibes.
Yeah.
This is what.
I'm glad you took us out today, Daddy.
This is what Toronto.
You're recording as well.
Oh, is she recording right now?
Yeah, she is. Oh, stuff.
This.
Ready to roll.
Oh,
Let's
we need
go.
a group picture.
Oh, you're waiting for us?
A
Yeah.
group picture?
Wow, you're
Not
such a
yet, not yet.
gentleman.
Let's keep going. Let's
Where's
keep
he
going.
is?
Like we'll get to the end of this pier.
Is that what?
point.
Is that a
Francis, oh, there
definition of a gentleman? He waits for you. Yes. Should wait.
Not a pastor.
Set my people free!
I thought it was.
With this,
Okay,
with this
Moses.
stuff right here.
Moses, right?
Moses with this stuff right
What's
here.
this pastor doing with the expensive camera like this? What's going on?
He's an entrepreneur. He has his own
You're
business.
paying him too much. You
Not
gotta
paying him at all.
You
He's
gotta-
paying us.
Oh!
Different kind of congregation.
Cindy got a little lip on her.
Yeah, she does.
Always.
Okay, Toronto, Chile, Toronto. Toronto,
I'm also from Toronto.
originally.
No, I'm originally from the Philippines.
Last year, before this thing happened, every month for a week or so, I was in Manila.
Oh, wow.
Makati mostly.
Makati.
Yeah, where are you from? The province or?
Yeah, I'm from the province.
Nice. I love watching a few
advisor,
YouTubers, Tim K and Chrissy K. They live in Leyte. They're two of my favorites to watch from your great country. 100 million odd Filipinos and 10 plus million live around the world.
Yeah.
And I've never, in all the countries I've been, met a bad one.
Wow.
They are incredible people.
They are.
You are incredible people.
You are
Be proud, for
incredible.
Corte says you are a good man.
Yes, you are.
These two together?
We just need somebody else doing sign language, and we got it made. We can include everybody.
Exactly.
How about you?
Same, Toronto, and my background is from Guatemala.
Guatemala.
Yes.
Fabulous.
Have you been to?
No.
Oh, okay.
Okay, that's
You made
That's on that
amazing
90.
Guatemala.
I haven't.
Yeah.
I want to go.
It's beautiful.
Wait, I forgot to ask. Have you been to Vietnam? My parents are from Vietnam.
I'm going to Dalat.
Oh, okay, it's beautiful.
Best friends.
Hashtag best friends.
Not just YouTube, but Facebook and the other things. Everything's Advisor Danny.
Yes.
So connect with me, and if there's somebody I know or something I can do to help, I will. This is my commitment to anybody. I can't help everybody.
Of course.
But I run across people that sometimes just knowing the right person
Yeah.
at the right time and being
Right.
able to say, hey, I met this guy
Right.
and his posse.
Wow, guys. Wait, another one.
Oh gosh.
Oh, we have a girl. We have a girl. Yay! Wow, guys.
Happy Canada Day!
Happy Canada Day.
Oh man,
You're next.
that looks tempting.
You're next.
A few moments later.
Not quite as great.
It's recording already.
Cheering you on.
All right.
Looking good. Yeah! Did he just run and jump off? Thanks so much.
Guys, we sounded good. They thought we were in a choir.
And we heard you say yeah. Yeah.
No, I didn't lie.
Is that yours? This is tiramisu. No. Okay. Strawberry. Don't give her a heart attack.
Yeah, she was like,
Yeah, no. Okay, vlog. So we're about to get sushi for the first time in BC. We're right by the ocean, so I think that they get the fish from over there. So like fresh sushi, finally, first time. I'm excited. Well, I'm getting fish. They're vegan.
We're vegan, so we're just getting veggie rolls.
Yeah. So
At this place.
it's no different for them. maybe.
Sushi Aiwa.
Sushi. I'm so excited. It's over there.
Yeah.
And they have a 4.9 rating. So
Yeah.
Smiling Leslie. That's her name. Smiling Leslie.
This is your roll. This is expensive. Ah, you. They want like this?
Jason's has teriyaki. Is it salmon?
Okay, let's take picture.
They got their veggie rolls.
Picture of all of us? Yeah.
What's Francis eating?
Let it.
Avocado
Avocado
and
rolls.
yam tempura
Yam tempura.
and a vegetable roll or
Awesome.
vegetable sushi.
And we're just taking in the views as we eat.